We should be live here. So Nasdaq is finally selling off. We've been seeing days after days after days where market is just going up unstoppably. It's just keep going up. But now finally things is actually trading around to be more negative, and that's due to Fed. That's due to the news we just had. So that's just great for me. But so you're aware of what's going on. I have no open positions. I only have this one little one here where I went short yesterday. So market's selling off here. And I am about to take a short position. But it's going to be with a tight stop loss. I'm going to short it here with 20-point stop loss. Let's see here if things is going to sell off. This could also act as lows for today, so just be careful. I'm just gonna close it here. Let's see if there's gonna be progress below 100. So that's the number that I'm gonna pay attention to. And progress above 200 long, progress below 100 really short. Looks like potential support is coming in around 125, 120. Let's see. I'm about to place a short position here again. Placing a short position here. Let's see. It could break pattern here. It could break 140, and then we might see it's going to rally to highs of 160 or even higher. So no progress below. It looks like this is where they're going to buy it in and then push it right back into 250 or even higher. So I might get stopped out on this one here. Let me just make sure this is not a fake out. Let's see. So no progress below 130, pushing right back into the range. Just move stop loss. Let's see here if this is going to continue. No surprise at all. Market just went down like we saw, and then we might push back to 158, and then it could sell off again below 100. Okay, so currently 10 points down on the position I have here. Be careful, this could be a potential break of structure to the upside. Okay, so I might exit this one here. Let's see. Market is strong nowadays. Are we gonna break below, or this is just gonna turn back into a buy zone. Market is really holding here at 130, 140, acting as a support. So break below here would be a very good short for me. Big push here on Wall Street. Do we get the same for DAX? Look like, but this could also be a fake out, okay? And how do I read if this is a fake out? By making sure we don't progress above 200. So everything below 200, as I told you in the Discord, is a short position for me, all the way back to 23,000. So it should sell off 140 points from here. Right now there is no progress to the downside, and the market is still holding itself above. I might exit this one at 119, just to make sure that we actually get a break of structure and a break below previous lows. So we've been showing lower highs recently, but market is still pointing up on a shorter time frame, like here. So they want to push it. As you can see, they don't want to dump the market. Still interested. So AMD is down, Nvidia's down 1.5%. I'm thinking about if I should add more to short. Adding more to short here might be a quick scalp. Let's see if this is gonna sell off or if this is gonna push all the way back again. My entries is not really the best. Gonna exit that one here at 141. The ones I open here at 141, out. Below 100 is a very good short for me, all the way back to 23,000. So back to 23,000 is my target for this short. So no plan of changing it, just waiting for it to sell off. You can exit the short we open if you want, just to lock in some profit. Still short. Gonna lock in some profit here. So I just lock profit at 170, so close for profit. Why? Because I have an idea of it could push back around 100. So overall, great little session, locking in some small profits. I'm I'm just being a little bit careful here. Going short again here. Let's see if this is going to continue. Closing again at 120, 122, 122, 122. Still have one short open here for yesterday. I don't know if you remember, but we went short here together at New York session yesterday. So if you're still short, you can lock in profits. I already locked in profits yesterday around night. So we have an opening range breakout of lows of 110, 114. There's no break below 100. There's no break above. For me, it's not really risky. I'm still trading with extremely low size. So I'm risking 0.2, 0.3%. So when I'm swinging like $500, $1,000 is still 0.2, 0.3%, okay. Just waiting for it to see if this is really gonna push or this is just gonna stop here. There might be a risk that this is gonna stop here. So things just sold off from 191 to 109. The DAX is also selling off here on a shorter time frame. It's weird that we see such a strong push down on Nasdaq and then DAX is just holding itself. Big push back from 100. Very strong move here on Nasdaq. To me, Nasdaq looks very, very weak. So it's interesting to see if this is just gonna hold or if this is gonna push right back into the range. I told you all guys that it's gonna crash. Let's see if it's gonna come back to thinking about if I should short more. For now, I'm not gonna short more. It could push back again to 112 or 100. This could also act as a low for today. Thinking about if I should open a new short and then risk 20 points. I think it could go to 100. But I'm gonna thinking about opening a short here. Let's see. We already sold off after 18 minutes. And I already have a short position open. It could turn around at 66. Moving stop loss down to 122. Really selling off today. Still short. We're gonna have some support here at 50, I think. I'm thinking about taking off on my short position. For now, just holding. We're gonna have some support here at 50. So we could potentially be buying into selling into lows, but let's see. Still holding short. Tac was 23,000. Could potentially lock this one in here just to break even. Gonna lock it in here at break even. Got some profit. Close all shorts. So we got some very decent profit today. I'm not trading more. Did on the copy trading account, Be Social. On the other copy trading account, also made a percentage. I closed everything here, so I have no open position. That was, I expected that, 250 to 23,000. It could sell more off, and I know that. but I'm done for now. So I hope you enjoy.